Hi Didi, look at this.
Oh wow! Finally, you got it! Congrats! So, what's your next plan?
So Didi, I was planning to get into a really good B school just like you did and get a head start on my career. And I was planning to enroll myself into a good coaching institute as well. But looks like the pandemic has ruined all my plans.
Are, don't be sad. I have a solution for you. You can prepare for your entrance exam being at the comfort of your own home, plus being absolutely safe and sound.
Really? How?
Unacademy.
Oh, tell me more about it.
Well, it is one of the best online learning platforms in our country, and they have completely transformed the ways of learning from the old conventional classroom coaching to completely digitalized model where you can learn from anywhere anytime.
Oh, that's brilliant. Thank you so much. Unacademy it is.
Let's dive into the journey of Unacademy becoming the next unicorn in education technology. Unacademy started as an humble YouTube channel in the year 2010. It was single-handedly managed by Mr. Gaurav Munjal, one of the founders of the company, but not for very long. Shortly, he was joined by Mr. Himesh Singh, the second founder of the company, and the duo run the channel together for the next 5 years. In the year 2015, the third founder of the company, Mr. Roman Seni, joined the team. And later, the trio decided to launch the channel as an online education company. Today, we can clearly say it was a great idea. The Indian e-learning market is showing a growth rate of 44%, making the industry worth 250 million US dollars. And if statistics are to be believed, there will be a growth rate of 8 times, making the industry 1.9 billion US dollar worth. Today, any student from any part of the country with a decent smartphone and a good internet connectivity can learn through this online platform.
Despite strong competition in the field at the time, Unacademy was able to find the right audience and now has over 10 million subscribers on the Unacademy app and over 20 million registered students in total. The paid online user base is expected to reach 9.6 million by 2021, which is just about 5% of the 200 million students appearing for exams in India each year. Unacademy understandably remains bullish and expects $250 to $300 million annual revenue on the back of rising paid subscribers in the next few years. With a 90,000 active paid subscriber base, the company has already hit an annual recurring revenue of $30 million. The company aims to reach a million in the next 2 years, which would increase its annual revenue 10 times. This would assure the company an approximate market share of 11%, which would be no mean feat with the propensity for students on the lookout for free courses or material.
Unacademy started out as a YouTube channel that gave free education to anyone who came across their channel. Later on, the founders started pondering on the idea of how to slowly monetize the services they provided. This is what led to the launch of Unacademy as an official education organization that still gave out classes for free. But this time around, they made some tweaks along the way. They introduced live classes, which were only available to the paid members. Again, they launched an ad-free version of Unacademy, where only members who pay the subscription fee are given access to. One of the biggest advantages of Unacademy is that they provide coaching for the most prestigious exams of the nation, such as UPSC and CAT. The team was able to channel in the right niche and people were willing to pay a fee for their service. This opened up multiple opportunities for the firm to grow to the next level. They understood the sector which required more emphasis, which was the parallel education system, alias the coaching services. This is something the Indian society is very much acclimated to. Unacademy has been successful in attracting top educators to their platform like chess master Vishwanathan Anand, IAS Rakesh Verma, IM Pass Out and CAT trainer Arun Sharma along with many more such reputed educators.
Unacademy has moved it beyond its YouTube channel that it set out with. It now has its own website and a mobile application as well. The company has been achieving rapid growth in the last few years. It has managed to increase its number of tutors from a mere 3,000 to more than 10,000 and has paralleled this with increasing the number of users from a mere 3 million to more than 30 million in just under a year. This is a growth of about 335%. And that's not it. They've been constantly working on the YouTube channel as well, and have managed to garner more than 250 million views on their YouTube content. They've also identified a set of new opportunities in the ongoing pandemic, where the acceptability and usefulness of the e-learning platform has reached a new level. This will help the company to obtain the next level of growth.
Let's talk about Unacademy financials. Unacademy has raised a total of 198.5 million through 7 rounds of funding. Major investors are Facebook, General Atlantic, and Sequoia Capital India. Quite recently, it raised a total of 110 million through a Series A funding on 19th February 2020. Unacademy has acquired a handful of companies, one of them being Creatrix, which is an online platform for GATE and engineering service exam preparation. This acquisition happened on 31st of March 2020. Before this, it had also acquired Wi-Fi Study in 2018. Quite recently, they have acquired 2 companies, one of them being CodeChef, which is an online algorithm and coding based company, and the other one is an edtech platform which is called PrepLadder. This company specializes in medical entrance examinations. Unacademy is operated and owned by its parent company, which is called Sorting Hat Technologies.
Due to the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic, the Indian government asked all the educational institutions to remain closed until the whole situation comes in control. And at this time, Unacademy has come forward to enable the institutions to conduct their classes online for free, without any limitations on the number of hours or the number of classes. The process for educational institutions to get themselves registered on Unacademy is quite simple. The representative can log into Unacademy Cares, fill in their basic details and the course and the subjects that they would love to teach on Unacademy. And once the registration is done, Unacademy will help these educational institutions to conduct their classes online from the safe environment of their homes. Staying true to its goal of ensuring that learning never stops, Unacademy's announcement comes as a major relief for the students who have faced a lot of interruptions in their learning process due to COVID-19 and have been waiting for the situation to improve.